This goes out for all the saints. Hey Courtney, what up? Hey. Hey. Ride with me. Yeah. I done came to the islands and I found me a diamond. Show that she shining, bad little ting. I might give her the ring, put her on a big screen. I know the saints feel me, and we chasing our dreams. I hate it can't stop me, no they can't block me. Excuse me, cause I'm cocky and I'm chilling with Courtney.
Okay, so let's start with the makeup first. I do not like doing my hair first. I do my makeup before I do my hair. I don't know if I'm the only one that does that, but yeah, let's get started. This routine, because I don't know if you guys seen my other get ready with me when I was doing my makeup routine, but I actually switched foundations. I didn't actually switch. I'm trying a new foundation. You guys know I'm obsessed with the Giorgio Armani, the Luminous Silk Foundation. That was like my holy grail. The only foundation that I will use. I've been using that foundation for like 2 years, like 2.5 years. I was asking my Insta story, what is a good foundation that does not break me out? And a lot of people recommended this Maybelline Fit Me. If you guys have tried it, let me know. I actually love it so far. It goes on so buttery and smooth. I did not break out while using this foundation, which is a plus. So I got the color Toffee Caramel in shade 330. And this is a matte plus poreless foundation. And guys, I literally love this foundation. I'm gonna still buy, you know, the Giorgio Armani, but I'm gonna always have this as a backup in case I run out, because I don't wanna buy 2 Giorgio Armanis at the same time. So I'm just gonna buy that and then this, just in case I run out the other one. Which I ran out the Giorgio Armani foundation, so this is actually perfect because I had a backup. So the primer that I do use is Smashbox Photo Finish. And I love using this primer as a base because when I add on my foundation, it just goes on so freaking smooth. This primer feels like silk. That's exactly what this feels like. It feels like silk. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Don't mind my hair right now, but yeah. I typically use the 170 MAC brush. We're not going to use this today. I'm going to use my NYX Beauty Blender. And I'm going to go ahead and pour the foundation onto the Beauty Blender. And I just wish this foundation came with a pump instead of like me just pouring it out, because sometimes I just pour too much and I'll be wasting a lot of product. And I usually conceal before, like if I really want to do like a full face coverage, I usually like conceal before I add my foundation and after, but I'm not going to go ahead and do that today. I'm just going to go ahead and add my foundation and then conceal after my foundation. Go ahead and pour a little bit more. And guys, I do wet my beauty blender before I put foundation on it, so I don't want you guys thinking that I'm using like a dry beauty blender to put my foundation while I'm doing my face. When I use my beauty blender, I find myself patting for so long because I want my foundation to be even. And what I'm gonna do, this is not setting spray by the way, I use a bamboo mist because I don't know, it just feels so good. This is what it looks like. So I use that on my face, just because when I add foundation, I hate the way my skin feels with the foundation. It feels like dry. So I do add a little bit of mist, and then I start to pat the foundation in my skin. It's just like wetting the beauty blender, except for it's not water, it's like bamboo mist. So instead of using water, I'm just using mist. This is what my foundation looks like so far. So I am going to go ahead and conceal. So I am going to go ahead and conceal. I do use Tarte, and this is the shade 50H Deep. I mean, I have two concealers. So one is the L'Oreal Paris Maybelline. I really love this concealer. I love how thick it is, and I love the way it sets, but this is such a lighter shade compared to my my Tarte. I feel like the Tarte is the same complexion as me, but I do want to do a lighter under eye today. So with this, you really would only need 2 dabs. Typically with the Tarte concealer, I can go down and up like that, but with this, you would only need 2 dots because it's so thick, and I don't want it to look like I'm like raising from the dead, you know? So you're just gonna start you're gonna start off small with that with the concealer. Seriously guys, like, it does not take me forever to do makeup. The only time it takes me forever to do makeup is if I'm like going out at nighttime and I really want like a full face. But this is such my simple everyday makeup routine. It goes by like really fast, but everything looks good so far. Guys, I can't wait to take some bomb pictures on my new iPhone 11. I've had it for like a week now, and I still have not taken a picture. So I think today I'm gonna, you know, post a pic for the gram or whatever. The step that I actually miss, I usually use the strobe cream, and guys, I constantly talk about this strobe cream. I got it from MAC. I usually add this strobe cream after my primer, but today I didn't want to do that because I didn't want my skin to be oily, as oily, because right now I don't know if you guys can see that, but when you apply this to your skin, it turns gold, and I absolutely love it. It's like it just gave you a little tan, but it looks so good when you apply it with foundation because it gives you this like glow, you know. But I only use this during the day, so at nighttime I barely use it, and it smells pretty good too. But I'm gonna skip that step. Now that I got that out the way, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face again. I love spraying my face because I love the moisture that it adds to my skin. Okay, so now that I got that out the way, I'm going to go in with a bronzer. It's called Gold Deposit. I find it better when I spray on the area. Like when I spray on my face, I find the bronzer, it sticks better that way. And next, I'm going to go in with some blush. Guys, I do use a MAC blush, and this is in the shade Love Thing. Last but not least, I'm going to go in with some mascara. So guys, I put my mascara on off screen because, you know, we be making those weird faces when we put on our mascara, so. And right now I'm just putting on some lip gloss. And I got this from MAC. I love a thick lip gloss. I don't like those watered down lip glosses. Okay, now time to do my hair. Oh my gosh. So guys, I am going in with this Honey Hydrate conditioner. It looks just like honey and it feels just like honey. I love this because this is going to really moisturize my hair. And I'm just going to start from my ends and then work my way up because my ends need the most love. I use this because it smells good more than it benefits, so I am just going to be applying a little bit of this to my hair. Oh my god, it smells so, it smells like, do you guys know what washing powder smells like? Like a Gain washing powder. I would compare this to like a Gain washing powder. Because when my hair is in a bun, I want my hair to be moisturized. Because I know a lot of times, especially like us chicks with curly hair, we'll do our buns and it just be so dry and our ends would just be brittle. So before I put my hair up in a bun, I like for my hair to be a little bit moisturized. So when I take it down, it's not like brittle or anything. And I am just going to go ahead and use a little bit of gel for the front. And the gel that I use is the Equal Style. Doing long buns, it's super easy. Twist and wrap, twist and wrap. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my big scrunchie. And it feels very secure. So now that I did my bun, you cannot forget the baby hairs. You can't. That's just, can't. It's just disrespectful if you forget. And the thing about when you do your makeup first, this is the sucky thing. You see how the makeup, so with this look, I actually don't want a lot of baby hair out. So I'm gonna push that back a little and just do like a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and dab my makeup back into place. This is the finished look. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is my simple everyday makeup look. Also, you know, I love sleek bun. I don't know if you guys like it. If you guys like it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I figured I haven't made a video since New Year's. I was like, why not do a get ready with me sleek low bun makeup look? And that's exactly what I did today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to your girl and join the same family. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.